My experience in this episode made me realize that community linkage are an essential part of the teaching and learning process, as they extend education beyond the classroom and connect it in real life situations. Though the activity of mapping community resources and creating a partnership proposal, I understood how institutions like libraries, healthcares, and barangay office can support school programs and student development. Even though I did not even directly participate in meeting with parents or partners agencies, I recognize the importance of collaboration, communication, and shared responsibilities among stakeholders. This experience helped me appreciate the strong partnership between schools and community can enhance learning opportunities, provide additional resources, and support students' holistic growth. Overall, this episode strengthened my awareness of the value of community involvement in education and inspired me to actively engage with stakeholders in future teaching career.